Hey guys, welcome back to How to Escape. This is Rob Rieni here, and today we're going to be talking about how to replace your rear wiper blade. So if you want to know what it looks like underneath that wiper blade arm, I happen to have a new one right here, and I have a wiper blade right here. The wiper blade has this clasp that's right next to my thumb, and then the arm itself has that pin that you can see. It's right there. Simple enough, they just snap together and the blade can rock back and forth. This yellow covering is just a protector for the blade that it ships in. So when this is on our car and you can't see it, you can take a flathead screwdriver and reach in the back and just pry it out just like that. So let's try it on the car. All right, so now this is about how much our wiper arm can lift up. I'm gonna snake the screwdriver into the middle until you kind of hit the pivot point. I'm going to put my hand behind it too so the screwdriver doesn't run away and scratch my paint. Just going to push and pry. Alright. And here you see the old blade. It's pretty dry rotted, dirty. So here I have my new blade. I'm just going to leave the protector on here just because I'm demoing this. You can sometimes peek behind and find your pin, which is about right here on the arm, so maybe 4 inches or so from the very end. Reach back, get your wiper blade there, and there you have it. All done. These wiper blades are available on Amazon, on carid.com. They're available on Rock Auto. I'll have the Amazon link in the video below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.